Today, I'll show you how to recover your Gmail password without a phone number or recovery email. First, it's important to understand one thing. Google does not offer a special shortcut for this situation. If you no longer have access to your recovery phone number or your recovery email, the main official method is still the Google account recovery process. Google says you'll be asked questions to confirm the account is really yours, and you should answer as best as you can. To begin, open the Google account recovery page and enter your Gmail address. Then follow the prompts on the screen. Even if you can't use your old phone number or recovery email, continue through the recovery steps and provide as much correct information as possible. Google explains that there is no limit to the number of recovery attempts, and wrong guesses will not permanently lock you out of the recovery process. Now here's the part that can make a big difference. Google recommends trying recovery from a familiar device and location. That means using a phone, tablet, or computer where you've signed in before, using the same browser you normally use, and, if possible, trying from a place where you usually log in, like your home or office. These details can help Google recognize that the account really belongs to you. If Google asks for an old password, enter the most recent password you remember. If you don't remember the latest one, use an older password that you know was connected to that account. Google says the more recent the password is, the better, but even a best guess can still help. Also, try not to skip questions unless you truly have no idea. If recovery does not work the first time, do not panic. Google notes that changes to recovery information can take up to 7 days to fully apply, and official guidance also points users back to the same recovery flow rather than a separate manual support channel. Google also warns not to trust third-party services that claim they can recover your Gmail account for you. Once you get back into the account, immediately set a new password and add a current recovery phone number and recovery email, so this is much easier to fix in the future. Google also provides settings where you can add or update those recovery options after you sign in. And that's how to recover your Gmail password without a phone number or recovery email. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.